Hello everyone. So today we start with Act 1 Scene 2 of Love's Labours Lost. So in this scene enters Armado with his page Moth. In the beginning itself we see that there is nothing important taking place now. This will be the completion of Act 1 and any new theme, any new literary device or symbol if comes I will explain. But now today in this video we will complete Act 1 and there are no important developments taking place. Just 2-3 things happening. Armado enters with his page Moth. In the very beginning he asks him a question and the question is what is uh, the meaning of a man being melancholic. Moth answers, he says that it is sadness. So they agree that yeah, melancholy and sad, being sad is one and the same thing. The next thing that happens here is Moth and Armado give each other nicknames and they argue about their nicknames. So that argument is also quite comic in nature. Moth calls him Tender Juvenile and Moth is called Tender Juvenile by Armado and Armado calls him Tough Senior. Before going further, I wanted to add this is the text of Love's Labours Lost. So please don't mind the video. Wherever I'm sharing my notes, like yesterday or the video that you have seen prior, I will pay special attention there. So this is the text. I'm explaining the text. We are completing this act. So please keep your text handy. That won't be so that the video or the display doesn't become a problem. Then we see that Armado and Moth, they talk about their condition of only studying or strict studying for 3 years. And he asked a question. Armado could not solve that question, and the question was very simple: what is 1 plus 2? So they are talking about the scholarship, the books, arithmetic, intelligence, everything. Then Armado says that he is confessing his love for somebody uh, whom the text is calling wench. Wench is not a good name that is given to a woman. In Shakespeare's plays, we find certain words which are considered not good, and there is a long debate also on those lines, but we will not go there. So one of the words here that he uses for this woman Jaquinta is base wench. Armado says that I love her, and when he's confessing his love, he quotes great men who have also been loved. So according to him, Hercules, Samson, they all have been loved, and he says that my love is no less than theirs. Moth says that he also loves a woman, and they talk about the complexions of each other's beloved. Armado says that the complexion of his beloved is white and red, and Moth says that his woman's complexion is seawater green. Now Moth warns Armado that you be careful because your woman's complexion is white and red. What happens because of that? You will not be able to understand whether she is frightened, whether she is embarrassed, whether she is blushing, whether she is turning pale, or what happens. So that will be a flat face and you won't be able to understand. Basically this is a sarcasm, or this is an the writer intervenes here, the playwright, and he wants to tell that a woman's expression sometimes becomes confusing because they have a certain kind of anatomy and you're not able to understand what actually she is feeling. Then again Armado and Moth, they talk about certain things. They talk about king's love, they talk about many other things. Finally they talk about Jaquinta, whom they are calling wench. Now Jaquinta was seen with Costard by Armado. Now Armado gets very tensed, and also Moth. So they say that Armando, the suspicion grows, and Armando wishes some encouragement by Moth so that his love is not snatched away from him. Then enters Dull Costard and Jaquinta. All these characters also now enter. They are with Armando and Costard. Now Dull is warning or saying that Costard and Jaquinta will be punished because they were seen together, and King is angry about it. Yesterday also we saw that Costard tries to get away with the punishment, and he says that, I'm doing nothing and I was not there, she's not in love with me. So they talk like that, and they call Jaquinta a dairy maid also. Now the Costard continues with his clever joking because he doesn't want to agree, he doesn't want to be in commitment, and love inspires Armando to write a poetry. Love said, they give example of strong man, and they say that you have to be strong. Think about all the strong men who have been in love, and you write poetry, pour all your love in that poetry, remembering Jaquinta. So that's how they all agree, and the scene 2 of Act 1 closes. Now we will be doing Act 2 in the next video.